All right, so we are at Universal Studios just outside of Epic Universe at the brand new Terra Luna Resort. This is going to be the value resorts that are going to be over here on the Epic Universe side of things. And we are in room 4000, which is going to be all the way at the end. So this room is actually going to be a little bit bigger than their standard room. So when we first walk in, we've got the door, little place like a little cove here for luggage. On the left, cabinet with a safe and an iron and the ironing board and coat hangers, and it looks like a little bit of extra bedding. On the right-hand side, let's see if we can turn on some lights here. We've got a single sink with a hairdryer and some towels over there, tissue, and Terra Luna's own brand of facial soap. Inside here, no bathtub, but we do have a standing shower with a pretty nice shower head. Check this out, their own brand of shampoo and conditioner. And a toilet as well. Plenty of towels there. Little black, hello, reflection. A little black curtain area here that's going to lead us into the bedroom. Thermostat on the wall, set to 72 degrees when we walked in. We've got a television. Over here we've got a Cuisinart coffee maker with cups and coffee and condiments. Down here, I believe, is going to be not a mini bar, but an actual fridge, and it's not going to be a beverage cooler. So that's going to be enough for any leftovers you might have. We have 4 drawers, so plenty of storage here between that and our closet there. Little seating area, just a single chair with an end table. We'll check out the view here in just a second. And then check out this setup. 2 queen beds. This photo was actually taken by NASA, so that's an actual picture from space because the whole vibe of the hotel here is space, but 2 queen beds, really comfortable mattresses with a couple of pillows. I don't know. Oh, that is going to be a drawer with a Bible in it. Check this out. An alarm clock with fast wireless charging on there and a little lamp. This hotel is absolutely gorgeous. Let me know, have you ever stayed here? I know it's brand new, but is this a place you'd like to stay? So far, my first impressions, highly recommend. But again, thanks so much for watching, and until next time, we'll see ya.